return. Embracing wonderful times, now in the form of thoughts, words, movements. From generation to generation, building a legacy, a bridge of culture. Breath. Breathe freely. Life. Live freely. Dreams of silver stars. By the tree of life, whose light embraces the soul. Feel its warmth. Each encounter an experience that comes and goes, stirring deep into the inner self, blossoming in every heart. Always present, painting memories. Here, one finds freedom, wisdom of the ages. Offered to you with pure love, together, endlessly yours.